What is software plus services? For a long time, companies managed their own software on premises. It was installed on their computers and supported by their IT department. These days, though, the internet is changing what's possible with software. Now, software is not just on premises, but available across the internet as internet services. For the PC, the web, and phone, internet services offer new possibilities. But the true power comes when local software and internet services work together to solve problems. It's this combination of software plus services that's creating a new foundation for Microsoft and its partners and new opportunities for customers. But what does software plus services mean to a company? To help answer that question, let's meet two business leaders. This is Jordan. He runs a company that, like many businesses, depends on software for running the business. Jordan purchases software and has it installed on the company's computers. His success depends on software that's uniquely adapted to his business and the hardware that runs it. It's always been this way. Plus, having on-premises software means his IT team can ensure its security and smooth operations. Jordan likes the idea of on-premises software, but he's worried about how it will adapt to some of his needs in the future. His team is traveling more and more, but his software doesn't work on the web or mobile devices. They feel tied to the office. Plus, it's a pain to update software every time his business moves in a new direction. He feels limited. Down the street is our second leader, Simone. Simone's business is much like Jordan's, but she has made different decisions in using software. Instead of installing software on her company's computers, she works with software via the internet, what some call software as a service, or SaaS. Simone depends on internet access to connect to these devices that help her run her business. Simone loves that software as a service takes away many of her IT worries, works when her employees are away from the office, and scales as her company grows. But she too feels limited. Software as a service requires a constant connection to the internet, and when things break, it's difficult to call the cloud. Plus, because internet services are designed to work the same for every user, she can't tailor them to her company's specific needs. Both Jordan and Simone have to make compromises because their needs aren't always met by their choice of software or services. When Jordan and Simone meet for coffee, it finally becomes clear. What Jordan sees as limitations with local software are strengths for the services Simone is using, and vice versa. They agree that the best solutions need to be a combination of both, software plus services. Jordan and Simone illustrate a powerful trend. Business can't be limited. Companies need flexibility from a technology partner that's prepared to grow and adapt to the changing needs of their businesses through on-premises software plus internet services. While the benefits may be clear for business, Microsoft's strategy applies to all users of technology. For business users who need to accomplish tasks they always have, for developers who can use the same tools and languages across software and services, and for consumers with devices that connect to internet services. Microsoft and its partners are dedicated to delivering new solutions that build on the combination of software plus services. It's about choice. Software plus services gives customers and partners the flexibility to accomplish their business goals today and tomorrow.